Hello everyone, welcome to Insights into Your Being. Today we are going to sit together in a guided visual meditation. This meditation will help us recognize the oneness of our being with that of Mother Nature. Before we begin, I would like to share a few thoughts on what is meditation and why must one practice it on a regular basis. Meditation techniques are not Eastern or Western, but they are universal. Every nation has its own culture, its own condition. We are all seeking the same thing through meditation. There are many methods of meditation. You have to choose the one that appeals the most to you. A yogi may be capable of sitting in a Padmasana for hours at a stretch. If you cannot do this, it does not mean that you must not meditate. Do not get discouraged. Many people have a fear about meditation. The rules are simple and are few. In fact, we cannot decide to meditate. We can decide to be still, and eventually meditation happens. When you sit with your eyes closed, do not overstrain in whatever you are doing. Do what you can and stop. If you know any breathing exercises, it is advisable to do them first and then sit with your eyes closed for meditation. And when you follow a regular practice, you will start enjoying it. The world of meditation is a totally different world you are entering. It is a world of sacredness, filled with the holiness of the Lord within and without. You are virtually entering into your own temple, a church, or a prayer room. When you start enjoying meditation, it is not the I, the little ego that wants it. It is the call of your higher self. In fact, the ego may fight your inward journey because our lower mind knows that soon it will be overpowered. So what is it that is making you sit in meditation and listen to your silence? What is it that is making you do this? It is the spark of the cosmic consciousness within that is calling you. The pathway towards inner peace may be a long path and it may take many moons. However, every step you take is taking you closer, helping you enter the inner sanctuary which is exclusively yours. It makes you one with all, so that you are totally free and yet belong to the life itself. Today, once again, we are together going to sit in meditation. We will be doing visual meditation today, where we are going to visualize a walk in the garden, and while doing this, we will recognize the oneness of our being with that of nature. Let us begin. Close your eyes and sit relaxed. Let us walk into the garden of peace, garden of love and contentment and serenity. Let us walk into this beautiful garden, leaving behind the noisy, troubled world. Lining on the pathway are so many beautiful flowers, flowers of all kinds and colors, sharing their perfume with us. Let us look at those tall sunflowers, majestic in their beauty. They are slowly turning to face the sun. In the morning, they will turn again and face their Lord as He rises. Complete dedication to that which gives them life. Lining the path and hiding under the green leaves are the tiny violets, the flowers so humble, gentle and sweet, and next to them are rows and rows of smiling daisies, their faces each a joy to look upon. Over there are clusters of flowers and grass growing around the pool, so pliable, bending with the gentle breeze, complete without ego of any kind. See the stillness of the pool, shimmering with the rays of the setting sun, peaceful, quiet, and silent. There is a tall tree who has shed all her leaves. She stands alone and solitary in stark naked beauty, a complete surrender to her Maker. The pathway winds down trodden rocks covered with silent green moss, ever quiet, ever lowly, and the roses giving beauty and perfume to all. Look at the fruit trees laden and bending in their eagerness to share what they have. How much we can learn from the garden. As we turn the corner, there is a majestic giant tree. How long ago he must have began his span of life, and how long he will continue, long after we have gone. His huge roots spread out into the earth like a six-pointed star, merging his soul with his mother. His branches and leaves caress the sky in constant thanksgiving for life itself. Let us sit a while and rest in the shade of this old tree. The birds are coming over in their hundreds and settling in his branches, all singing their even song of praise and thanksgiving to the great lover, to the great power of the universe. The squirrels are quietly nestling into their holes, and peace begins to settle over the garden. Slowly, as the sun dips behind the hills and the cool breeze fondles our cheeks, we feel peace descend upon the garden. The birds slowly cease their song. The crickets begin to chirp, and the giant tree becomes the guardian of the garden. His branches reach out over all. His strength seems to penetrate us. Slowly, my body is the tree trunk, firm, strong and still. My legs and arms become the branches. The leaves are moving overhead, singing to the stars. My body becomes firmer and firmer. Strength, peace and purity pour through my soul. I am, I am, I am. Deeper and deeper, I merge with the cosmic power. Deeper and deeper. I become the all. And as the merging takes place, a great light appears which envelops me and the garden. Deeper and deeper, I become the all. Silent, enveloping all, loving all, feeling all. All is beauty, peace, love, and silence. Silence is speaking to me. Silence within the tree, within the earth, and within me. Silence is the underlying consciousness of all. You are wrapped in the silence of the soul. This silence will set me free. This silence will set me free. Be still. Just be still. Be still and rest in me. This silence will set me free. The silence will set me free. You may rest in this silence for as long as you can, for 5 minutes, 10 or 15. Only when you feel ready, you may open your eyes and continue with your routine with the open eye meditation, seeing this beauty all around you. Continue to see this beauty all around you. Thank you for listening. Do share this video with your loved ones. Love yourself.